Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the folder access denied error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, so I will show you how to fix this issue. For example, suppose if this is the folder, if you are seeing this type of error, you have to just right click on that. If you are using Windows 11, then click on show more option. After that you will see here property, click on that. Click on the security tab. Click on the advanced option. Here you can see change, click on the change. After that you can see here advanced, click on this advanced, then click on find now. Here you need to find your profile name. You just need to click on this start menu. You will find your profile name here. You can see my profile name is Dell, so I need to find Dell profile name in this. You can see this is the profile name. Just select this username, then click on OK, then click on OK again. You have to just tick mark this option, click on apply, click on OK, and click on OK, click on OK again. After that again you have to right click on that, click on show more option, click on property, click on security, click on edit, then click on add, then click on advanced, then click on find now. See your profile name and find the profile name here. Select that one, then click on OK. Click on OK, select, click on OK, select your username, then you have to allow all the permissions. You have to just check mark this, click on apply, click on OK, click on OK, and close this window. After that, when you delete or move these files, then you will not see this type of error. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.